signed a contract when you bought it. Well, guess what? Contract null and void, but phone's paid for.
Okay, so which one is this? With the darker stripe?
That's the
or the lighter stripe?
That's the lighter stripe one.
Okay, this is the one with the lighter stripe. She's not as rambunctious as the other one.
She doesn't have the black around the neck. Come in a bit.
Okay, now we'll go to the rambunctious one with the darker stripe. That's this one right here. She's got dark around her mouth and around her neck. She's a little darker. And her tail is dark. Are you good? You gonna be good now? Underneath her mouth, she's dark. The other one isn't. This is the one who's all beige and whose head is a little cut up because of, I guess, some fleas. You can't really tell. It's actually not that bad. It's like little scars. She's a cute one. She's real nice. That's her there. Here's the one with the lighter dark stripe again. And then there's the one with darker dark. That's a boy. You dug a hole back here and you got yourself into it, huh? Look at that. You can't go nowhere. Oh, it's nice and cold in there, that's why.